for Allah, He is one and true. B for book, the Quran for me and you. C for clean, keep your heart bright. D for dua, pray every day and night. R, Allah, He is one and true. B for book, the Quran for me and you. C for clean, keep your heart bright. D for dua, pray every day and night.
E for Emaan and faith in our chest. F for family, love them, be the best. G for good, do good every day. H for help, help others on the way. I for Ikhlas, be sincere and kind. J for Jannah, the best place we'll find. K for kindness, share a happy smile. L for light, Allah guides every mile.
N for Masjid, where we pray. On for Nabi, follow his way. O for obey what Allah said. P for peace, keep love ahead.
Q for Quran, read it every day. R for Rahmah, mercy in every way. S for Salaam, peace to you and me. T for true, always speak it free.
U for unity, stand side by side. V for value, keep honesty inside.